This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about why we use SEO or search engine optimization. So let's get straight into it. An important aspect of SEO is making your website easy for both users and search engine robots to understand. Although search engines have become increasingly sophisticated, they still can't see and understand a web page the same way a human can. SEO helps the engines figure out what page is about and how it may be useful for users. SEO is great for business, visibility and branding. When people search for your products and services, you obviously want to appear as high in the search engine rankings as possible, but the reasons for this are more than just because you want them to click through to your website. In fact, there is a certain amount of value in simply appearing in search results for terms directly related to your business. For instance, most searchers don't simply search once, click on some websites and be done with it. Instead, they search, click on some websites, edit their search terms, search again, click on some websites, further hone in on their search terms, search again, and so on, to make sure they find exactly what they want. So what does this mean for your business? It means that if you can continually show in all of these search results that you are gaining more and more social proof with each potential customer, chances are very good that they will eventually click through to your website, and since you continually display it in their search results, they will trust you much more. Which brings us to the next reason why SEO is important for your business. SEO is cost effective. Compared to the costs associated with other forms of online marketing such as pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing or purchasing leads for email marketing program, SEO provides a fairly good ROI or return on investment. While pay-per-click may drive more revenue and social media may be more important for your image, your organic SEO in many ways remains a bedrock for your online presence. SEO is not going to stop working anytime soon. Based on the way search engines appear to be developing, it's not likely that SEO will cease to be effective anytime in the foreseeable future. On some level, even audio and video searches ultimately depend on keywords the same as traditional text-based content. This link assures the continued success of SEO techniques as long as it exists. SEO has one of the best ROIs, return on investment, in online advertising. SEO rewards your business for its efforts at a higher rate than pretty much all traditional forms of advertising. The same can be said for almost all types of internet marketing. The reason for this is because SEO is an inbound marketing strategy. It allows you to market to people who are looking for the products and services your business provides. You don't have to interrupt their favorite TV show. You don't have to take up space on a page where they're reading a news article. You just have to show up when they are looking for businesses like yours. You don't have to convince them that they need your product or service. You just have to convince them that you are the right business to purchase from. In other words, with SEO, half the battle is won before it even starts. And that's all I have to say for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.